Next thing, quality. Quality means quality of a research writer. So again, they should be research oriented. Now, about this point, when you are a research writer, you should read a lot. It is not like you have your opinion and you just sort it. Why? You will have to give evidence for everything. You are efficient. Efficient means you are time bound. You know how to work on time. You are not procrastinating. You are scientific. If you are from that scientific field, and even if not, you are writing about something related to theory, you are still giving the facts and figure. You are effective means whatever you are writing, it is easy to understand by the niche people. You are active again. In this active, it's more about being efficient only. Effective and active, same thing. You are resourceful. If you have taken money, funds to conduct a research experiment, here you have to be very resourceful. You don't have to waste money on anything that is unnecessary. So that is resourceful. You have to be creative, honest. Whatever you are doing, you have to give a real review of it. You have to be economical, again resourceful, related to resourceful, economical, and religious. Religious, I don't know, like religious means you are not harming anybody's religious views while writing your research. That is religious. So what you should have good communication skills, good comprehension. You understand and you make people understand what you want to talk about. Ability to pay attention to small details. I guess I don't have to explain this. Good writing skills, well informed with a broad background. Again, whatever you're writing about, you are aware of that particular thing. You are creative, innovative, and responsible means you are working in the best way and in the most efficient way. Should know how to conduct a research. If you are actually conducting a research, if you are actually conducting an experiment, if you are just writing about analytical one, that's okay. Passionate learner of seeker of knowledge. It should be or, not of. So passionate learner or seeker of knowledge, you should be curious about whatever you are doing. Should be able to take healthy criticism. So if somebody criticizes your work, you should work on the feedback rather than giving your excuses that why did you write that. Instead of doing debate, you take that criticism and you work on that. So as a research writer, you should have problem solving ability, because again, you're going to talk about something. If not informative, if it's persuasive or argumentative, you have to be problem solver person rather than problem creator or just making everything messed up in your writing. Calm under pressure. So deadlines don't bother you. You can work as per the deadline and calmly because you are doing every day at particular scheduled work. You can manage your project. And again, budget matters. If you are doing an experimentative research, you should take care of the budget. Handling huge data, if you get huge data, how you will analyze that, what results you will come up with. You have to make the whole reports of that. And then you should have the research skills. This should be the beginning point, I guess, research skills. Research skills doesn't only mean that you have to read books. It can be related to internet. But whatever data you are finding, it is relatable. It is not unrealistic data.